what is the system of inequalities displayed in the graph? First thing I'm going to look at is the shading. So just this small section right here is shaded, which means that 0, 0 is a true statement for my solid line, but it is a false statement for my dashed line, because that would have generated just that little piece being highlighted. So I'm looking for, I'm going to say true for my greater than or equal to, less than or equal to line, because that's a solid line, and then false, because 0, 0 wasn't shaded, for my greater than or less than line, because that's a dashed line. Okay. So let's start with my solid line first. It has a y-intercept of 1, and it's got a slope of positive 1/2. So this is either going to be y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1, or y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1. And I'm going to plug in 0, 0 for both of them. So is 0 greater than or equal to 1/2 times 0 plus 1? Is 0 less than or equal to 1/2 times 0 plus 1? So this one is 0 greater than or equal to 1? No. Is 0 less than or equal to 1? Yes. And remember, I'm looking for a true statement. So that means this is one of my equations that I need. So I'm going to write that up here where I have more space. So y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1. My next equation is a dashed line. And so that's greater than or less than. And I notice that it has a y-intercept of 8, and the next good point is way over here. So that's 1, 2, 3. So this is y is less than 3/8 x plus negative 3/8, sorry, because it's going down, plus 8, or y is greater than negative 3/8 x plus 8. Remember, I'm looking for a false statement. So I plug in 0, 0. Is 0 less than 3/8 times 0 plus 8? Is 0 less than 8? Yes, that's a true statement. Remember, I need a false statement. So with this one, is 0 greater than negative 3/8 times 0 plus 8? Is 0 greater than 8? No, it's not. But remember, that's exactly what I need. So that means my second equation is y is greater than negative 3/8 x plus 8. So now that I have my two equations, I can start looking at my inequalities. So I'm going to start with my first one. 3x plus 8y is greater than 64. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Minus 3x. And I have 8y is greater than negative 3x plus 64. I divide by 8, and I get y is greater than negative 3/8 x plus 8. That's the equation that I need. So that means this equation is good. So I can get rid of this inequality right here, because that doesn't match, and this one. And so now I'm just left with these top two. I'm going to look at my second. So I'm going to say x minus 2y is less than or equal to negative 2. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And I'm going to get negative 2y is less than or equal to negative x minus 2. I'm going to divide by negative 2. Y, remember when I divide by a negative, I flip my sign. So this is going to say y is greater than greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1. I need y is less than or equal to, which means this is the correct answer.